Extracting all rows from Pandas data frame that have certain value in a specific column. I am relatively new to Python Pandas and am struggling with extracting the correct data from a PD data frame. What I actually have is a data frame with 3 columns. What I want to do is put all of the true rows into a new data frame so that the answer would be I know that you can access a particular column using. But how do I extract all of the true rows? Thanks for any help and advice. Alex.
You can test which values are true. And then use fancy indexing to pull out those rows. Asterisk note, if the values are actually the strings true and false, they probably shouldn't be, then use.
You can wrap your value/values in a list and do the following. This will return a new data frame consisting of rows where your list items match your column name in df.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.